Hi, my name's Susan. I wanted to make this quick video to help show you how to improve your ranking on Google. So I'm here at your website and I go ahead and copy your URL to this tool that I use to check your heading tags. These heading tags are important because they tell Google what your site's about. So if Google knows what your site's about, then they'll know what to rank it for. So you'll see here that I put you in right here, and if we go down here to your H1 tags, your H1 says Earthworks Landscaping. So the H1, it's really like your main heading on your website, which in your case, if you go to your website, is right here. This is actually your H2 heading. So basically it's the first thing that Google sees on your page to determine what it's about. The other item that goes hand in hand is the metadata. The metadata is when you do a Google search. I did one for Sonoma County landscaping. It's these blue lines down here. These are your metadata, and you can see that the top guy here, he's talking about Sonoma County landscaping. So because he's talking about that, that's why he's in the top position. When you pull yours, you're not really easily found anywhere in Google for Sonoma County landscaping or anything like that, because right now your title page, if you go back here, is actually Earthworks Landscaping, a Sonoma County-based landscape construction company specialized in unique outdoor spaces that are as functional as beautiful. So basically, I bet if you Googled that, you'd be at the top spot because Google sees that and thinks that's what you're about. So if somebody were to Google Earthworks Landscaping, you'd be at the top. But obviously, nobody's going to know to Google that when they're looking for a landscaper. They're going to Google stuff like Sonoma County Landscaping, Sonoma Landscapers, similar keyword. So those are just a couple of things I wanted to help you see. Just these small little changes will really help you rank. And also, if you ever want to check your rank, don't use Google, because a lot of business owners will Google their company keyword, like Sonoma County Landscapers, and then they keep checking those week after week, and then slowly Google starts moving that up because they already see what you're looking for. So instead, you always want to use a third-party tool. I go ahead and use this website here called Rank Tracker. You'll see I put in your URL and I added some keywords. I just went ahead and put Earthworks Landscaping just to show you that if someone Googled that, you're ranking #1 right now. So this site actually checks your rank. It'll check it every single day. So basically for other keywords, here you're really ranking page 3, bottom of page 4, page 7. So really you could get those ranked much, much higher if you just really update your H1 and metadata based on whatever your main keyword is. What you really want to do is make it crystal clear to Google what your site's about. And that way you'll start ranking. And I really like the look of your website. Actually, it's a really nice looking website. But there are a couple things that I could fix to make it more appealing, but most importantly to rank you on the first page of Google, which would most likely really double your income because that's where 90% of traffic is. Most people just don't check past page 1 when they're Googling something. If you have any questions, just reply to this email and let's get you on the first page of Google and get your phone ringing off the hook. Thank you for your time, and I wish you much success.